All right, we've cut our tomatoes and we've salted them. Now we're going to go on and continue on with our salsa. So we're going to take our red peppers, take half a red pepper. I'm going to cut it into thin slices. Now you can leave them like this, but I'm going to chop them again into small cubes. And this is going to give us a little bit of crunch. All right, now we're going to take a jalapeno. We're going to cut off the end. We're going to cut it down the middle. We're going to remove the seeds and the white part because that's where the heat is. Now you may want to use a glove doing this because the spiciness of these seeds are going to remain on your hands. So we'll remove these seeds and the insides, and we will chop them just like we chopped the red onion, the red pepper.